See in 100 seconds. Malloc and free. Stdlibh gives you malloc and free, the tools for managing memory on the heap. Malloc takes a number of bytes and returns a pointer to that block. Sizeof tells you how many bytes an int needs, multiplied by 5 for 5 ints. Use it like an array. Bracket notation works because it's just pointer arithmetic underneath. Print each element. The memory lives on the heap, not the stack. It survives beyond this function if you want it to. When you're done, call free. This gives the memory back to the system. Skip this and you leak memory. It stays allocated but unreachable. Five heap allocated ints, printed, then freed. That's the life cycle. Allocate, use, release. Next up, calloc and realloc.